Okay, Jammers, it's Friends3652 here. It's December 1st, so we are going to log in. We are going to log in and see if we get our daily gifts. Unless that starts tomorrow, which I'm pretty sure starts today. So we'll just have to find out. Got our 1 diamond. Here we go. Diamond. Ooh, a welcome mat. Sweet. We just gotta welcome that, guys. We can go to it. That's like a brand new welcome mat. Can't wait to see what next one is. And as you know, the last time I was on here, or I don't think I was recording. I did this, but I went to a shop and he just gifted me anything I asked for. And I asked for all his Christmas stuff and stuff. It's Christmas items. So I got bombarded with Christmas. Makes me really happy. So, and we have an ice dresser. That's everything new. Well, because anything you can see inside Channel Holidays streaming. I don't have money. So, let's go see the new clothing items. We aren't adding anything. That's strange. Well, butter. So we got your daily gift. I'm happy about the daily gift. So, yeah, just then update. I have some hot cocoa, which is not cooled down yet, so it's gonna be really good. Trade for a necklace. I want a necklace. Give me your necklace. Anybody will pretty much accept anything for a necklace. Shop necklace. Great deal, man. You can become royalty and I can become, I don't know, whatever necklaces you do for I'm just super. That red tag like scared me up. It's like, what happened? What's going on up in here? Man. I'm gonna go. Christmas party. I love it. I love this gem. I want this hot cocoa set. I really want. So, yeah, I really want this set. It's just, I think I have the gingerbread house. Yeah, we still have no news. Do you have any parties yet? Yay! It's Summer Holiday Jam! Like, right on time. Awesomeness is bought here. Whoa. my gosh, this is awesome. Holiday bells. It's a glitch I can't find. I love this place. I'm gonna have to I'm gonna set my reindeer go and make a Rudolph reindeer. Bye bye, Supergirl. I don't even like the name Supergirl. And I got no money out of it. But who does this? I'm gonna go with my nose reindeer. Zombie. Okay. Oh my gosh. I gotta fix your eyes, dude. Right over here. Those are good. But I don't like these colors. I like that chocolate brown. I like this one. Just name it, honey pup. Wait. Miss Pup. I like Miss Pup. What's up here? Does it just lead that up there? Yeah, okay. I love this place. It's officially my favorite. Right now, wait, I don't want this. I want to decorate it though. Alright, now I gotta go play. Got more decorations. So we're gonna put this. Well, that is giant. That right there. Put our new reindeer. We have to go. We have to take it to the shop. So put it gleaming in the water. Then we should buy another one. Take this on the tree. No, let's take the tree part. Yeah, just like that. $3 hours. I need to go now. And then clear out my inventory. I can make a fortune getting rid of these So I have so much I can get rid of, and I'm gonna be like having so much money when I can just play games on this. So we didn't really want to items. I don't want that, no. I'll be right back, guys, when I figured out what I'm gonna do. Okay, guys, I decided I got all that in there. And I'll have that, or I like that. Now, the bell, the creep, rocket, batteries. Let's take out those four options. The bell, do bell. Well, here we go, Miss Pop. Miss Pop. I need those, whatever. Doggies. You know what, I'm not looking to that. So just Christmas stuff. Probably what I'm gonna do. Yeah. So today got pretty long when I was noticing. So yeah. So don't forget to leave a like. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below your favorite thing about Christmas. And don't forget to check out all the cool stuff. Don't forget to log in every day to get your daily gift.